Hi there, my name is Mark, and this is Pacific Northwest Solar. Our family has a solar array installed at our property in rural western Washington state, on the west coast of the USA. I've been inspired by other YouTubers to share my experience with our solar installation. This video details my results for January of 2023, and I hope it will be useful information if you are considering getting solar at your home. Please also see the link to my separate video that gives more details on our installation, listed below in the description. Here's a picture of our 16 kilowatt ground mount solar array. The solar array is directly south-facing in one of our pastures, with no trees or other obstructions around it. We have 50Z and Shine panels, rated for 320 watts each, with Hoymiles M300 microinverters on the backs of the panels. These microinverters convert the panel's DC output to 240-volt AC power, which is sent back to the breaker panel at the house. Currently, the cost of electricity from the grid is the same no matter what day or time it's consumed. No time of use rates. Any power generated automatically goes to usage in the house first, and then any additional is automatically returned to the grid. We get a 1-to-1 credit for each kilowatt hour that we send back to the grid. These credits directly deduct from the power we are charged at the end of the month. As you can imagine, the overall idea is to overproduce in the summer and use the credits to reduce or eliminate the electricity bill in late fall and winter months. I am using a Sense device in my electric panel to track power generated and power consumed, and I have written a custom Python program to capture real-time metrics for the entire system that I save and analyze. Our overall solar production was 643 kilowatt hours this month, with usage being 3,177 kilowatt hours. We sent a total of 321.4 kilowatt hours back to the grid, and we used a total of 2,850 kilowatt hours from the grid during the month. The fully blended cost for electricity in this month, including all taxes, fees, credits, was 10.44 cents per kilowatt hour, which is 8 pence per kilowatt hour. Using this rate, the value of the solar production for this month was $67.10. The cost of our usage was $331.54. Here's an overall look at the solar production for January 2023 by day. Total production for the month was 643 kilowatt hours, with the lowest day being 3.2 kilowatt hours, and the highest being 64.2 kilowatt hours. The overall average production per day was 20 kilowatt hours. Western Washington is known for being very cloudy and dark in the winter, so these figures are not surprising. Here's a comparison of the January 2022 versus January 2023 solar production. Total and average production was 11% higher in 2023, most likely due to natural variations in the weather, since there weren't any changes in the system setup. As a way of comparison, the PVGIS website suggests that we should get 770 kilowatt hours at my location during this month. This number is based on the 100% ideal conditions and perfect solar alignment for the month, but this number seems to be the reasonable maximum that could be expected. Here's some additional details for the highest solar production day, January 29, 2023. At my location, the sunrise was at 7:38 a.m. and sunset was at 5:04 p.m. for a total of 9.43 hours of daylight on this day. Highest sampled solar production was about 11.1 kilowatts at around 1:30 p.m. Nice clear day, showing how you can still generate a decent amount of solar production even in the winter. And the curve is just about ideal. It's nice to know you can still get good production even in the winter. Here is solar production and actual usage plotted together. The temperature was right around freezing all day. The high spikes on the usage graph are from the electric furnace turning on, which uses 15 kilowatts. This is a lot of electricity usage, and I made changes later in the year to address this, because it's not sustainable or affordable. Here is solar production, overall usage, energy sent to the grid, and energy from the grid across the month. Usage, in this case, is power used by the house, regardless of whether it came from the solar panels or not. January 4th is missing data, which is why it is low, as is suggested by the other charts. The usage in orange and from the grid in purple dominate the overall graph. Here is the month-by-month comparison of solar production between 2022 and 2023. January 2023 was slightly higher in solar production than in January of 2022. Thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so that other people can view this content as well. Have a great day.